Other lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo guys to. Actually, yung dalawang corner na yan, no? This is Block 21 Lot 5 and this is Block 17 Lot 16. So, etong Block 21 Lot 5 at 400 square meter, no? With a total contract price of 28.6 million. Again guys, etong lote na to, this is 5 years installment at 0% interest. Uulitin ko guys, ang ganda ng lote na to kasi, no, actually yung dalawang corner na to, eto yung ipa-flash ko sa screen yung lot availability, these are both available. So kung kunwari sa mga clients na may kapatid or may kamag-anak, pwede nyo pong kuhanin itong both lot na to. And syempre, no, yung mga the Filipino culture na ayaw nating mawalay sa mga kapamilya natin. Guys, if you want na both lots, no, i-avail nyo, guys, you can avail this 400 square meters for as low as 35,000 pesos per month. Ipa-flash ko sa screen yung sample computation. Etong lot na to guys, at corner lot, 400 square meters, okay? You can already build a big house for your family, yung mga extended family natin dito. Ang laki na ng magagawang bahay dito. And guys, etong 400 square meter with only 35k monthly, ang gaan nun. And ulitin ko lang sa inyo, ito yung something na talagang mapapamana nyo sa mga kids nyo in the near future once na naging operational na itong Central Business District natin. Guys, hindi na ito yung value ng lote na to. Again, meron lang kaming one village inside the township, just like the McKinley Hill and McKinley West, no, na right now, grabe naman talaga yung presyo. And nakaka-proud lang kasi itong lote na to at this price point na hindi mo kailangan mag-cash out ng down payment, hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng malaking pera with only 70,000 pesos, no, and 35k monthly with annual lump sum. You can already own this 400 square meter lot na. So guys, if you're interested in this lot, kunin nyo na to. Ang ganda nito. Also yung kabila din, available din siya. Pwede kayong mamili between the two of this lot, no? For only 70k, i-reserve nyo na to. May lote na kayo dito sa loob ng Maple Grove Park Village. Again, contact me if you love to schedule a site tripping here.